Our today's topic is regional cooperation, including SAARC, ECO, SCO, and the role of Pakistan. Regional cooperation has been a crucial element in promoting economic development, political stability, and cultural exchange in South Asia and beyond. Pakistan has been an active participant in various regional organizations, including the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) and the Economic Cooperation Organization (ECO) and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO). Here's a closer look at these organizations and Pakistan's role in them. First one is SAARC. Pakistan is one of the 8 founding members of the SAARC, which was established in 1985 with the aim of promoting economic and social development in South Asia. SAARC's activities have included initiatives in areas such as trade, agriculture, and energy cooperation, as well as cultural and people-to-people exchanges. However, the organization has faced several challenges, including tensions between India and Pakistan, which have led to the postponement or cancellation of several SAARC summits. Second one is ECO. Pakistan is also a founding member of the ECO, which was established in 1985 with the aim of promoting economic cooperation and integration among its member countries, which span from the Middle East to Central Asia. ECO's activities have included initiatives in areas such as trade, transport, and energy cooperation. Pakistan has been an active participant in ECO's activities, hosting several summits and contributing to various initiatives. Third one is SEO, the most important one. Pakistan became a full member of the SEO in 2017 after being an observer since 2005. The organization was established in 2001 and is primarily focused on promoting regional security and economic cooperation in Central Asia. SEO's activities have included initiatives in areas such as counter-terrorism, energy cooperation, and cultural exchange. Pakistan's membership in the SCO has been viewed as a significant step in the strengthening ties with the countries in the region, particularly China and Russia. Pakistan's participation in these regional organizations has been viewed as an important element of its foreign policy with the aim of promoting regional stability and economic development. However, tensions with India have often hampered cooperation within these organizations, highlighting the challenges of regional cooperation in South Asia. Nonetheless, Pakistan continues to be an active participant in these organizations, seeking to build closer ties with its neighbors and promote regional integration. Thank you for watching. Our next topic will be socio-economic challenges and opportunities in Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.